My dear students, today is your day. I wish each and every one of you a happy Children's Day. As you know, today we are celebrating the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was the first Prime Minister of India. Every year, his birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. I would like to quote his words. Time is not measured by the passing of years, but by what one does, what one feels, and what one achieves. So, my dear students, it doesn't matter which school or college you study or the environment you are in. All you need to do is to set your goal right. Once again, I wish you a very happy Children's Day.
I wish you all a happy Children's Day. I'd like to welcome you for a virtual Children's Day celebration. Yoga is a vision for harmonious future for humanity. Ms. Swapna is here to deliver a few words about yoga to inspire our precious auxilians.
To live through this pandemic period, yoga is the best thing to adopt as a lifestyle habit. It helps us to stay physically strong and mentally balanced. Bend the head forward, try to touch the chin to the chest. Inhale slowly, rotate the head clockwise. While coming down, exhale. Then do the anti-clockwise direction. Do the practice gently. Keep your hands on your shoulders and very slowly start to rotate. Keep breathing as you inhale, so you're going up, and exhale while you're coming down. Do it anti-clockwise also. Stand straight. Place your palms on the outer thighs. Lift your hands on the shoulder level, then the right arm upward and raise it slowly. Bend your left side. Hold the position for a few minutes and return back to normal position. Do the opposite side also. For doing calf stretch, start by having our knees down, hands down, right under our shoulders. Allow our stomach to drop down and release abdominals a little bit. Allow yourself to drop down, pull deeply in. Sit back in Padmasana or Ardha Padmasana. Make sure your spine is erect. Close your eyes. Bring the forehead to the floor. Relax. Inhale and slowly come up. Sit and relax.
Now I welcome Ms. Suma to sing a beautiful song for our lovable children. there is no greater joy in life than the joy of creating something in life. Here, Miss Shiny is ready to perform a craft work for you to motivate our children.
Kids, welcome to my craft world. Today I am going to show you one beautiful and easy craft. Okay, for this I need fabric color, brush like pots, okay, and different shapes of leaf. See, different shapes of leaf, no? In this leaf only, with this leaf only I am going to do the craft. In this leaf, I am going to use pink color because in yellow, pink color is very beautiful, no? So, in this leaf, first you have to take the leaf, the back side of the leaf. Okay, in this leaf, I am going to put the pink color. But in this fabric box, there is no pink color. So, I will just tell you how to make the pink color. For making pink color, I need red color. Take little red color, split, okay, then mix little white color, okay, then with the help of brush, mix it well. When we mix red with the white, that pink color will come out. See how the pink color is coming. Now our pink color is ready. With this brush, I am going to apply the pink color on this leaf. Okay. Apply the color on the leaf. Each and every corner, just color it. No need too much color. Little color is enough. Apply like this. Now that pink leaf is ready. Look at this. Ready, no? This leaf I am going to stick on the pot. Stick on the pot. So press it well. While you are pressing, no, when we press that leaf line, see each and every lines, no, that every lines on the pot. Okay, press it well. After 2 minutes, just you pull out the leaf. Slowly you pull out. See how beautiful that leaves on the pot. It's very easy, no? If we try to draw, means we will not get like this lines. Now everything is clear, no? No? Like this, I did some other. This is one original flower. Okay, with the original flower, I color like this and I stick on this pot. Some other work also I have, that also I will show you. See, this is also one leaf. With the leaf I did with red color. How beautiful this. See, each and every line is clear, no? Then this also one leaf. With the leaf only I cut cherry, Tom and Jerry's photo, and I did everything like this. This is also one different leaf with the pink color. See the lines, how beautiful these lines. Like this. One more pot I have with the green leaf. See the lines, see the everything is very just like an original leaf. See, like this in the bottle also you can do. See how beautiful. If we paint like this and we keep the plants, means it's look very nice. No, nowadays we all are keeping plants at home, no? Indoor plants, we are very interested in indoor plants. That is also we will keep like this. And in the pot, if you doing like this and keeping the plants, it look very nice. No, if you like, do at home. Okay, children. Thank you.
All know that dance is a hidden language of soul. Here, our auxilium teachers are ready to perform a beautiful performance for our children.
ये भी न जाने वो भी न जाने नैनों के रंग नैना जाने मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग जग की कोई रीत न जाने मैं तो बस तेरी कोई दीवानी मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग दरबार मेरा मखना में मखना तू ही है संसार मेरा मखना में मखना ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा मखना में मखना मैं छुड़ाई दरबार मेरा मखना छुड़ाई दरबार मेरा मखना में मखना तू ही है संसार मेरा मखना में मखना ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा मखना में मखना मैं छुड़ाई दरबार मेरा
Behind every favorite song, there is an untold story. Let's listen to the melodious voice of Miss Swapna.